बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 24 दिसंबर 2023 के अखबार में। मस्तंग सिक्योरिटीज़ और इंजीनियर्स की और मुख्तलिफ़ जॉब्स मैं इस वीडियो में आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी। सिक्योरिटीज़ एंड एक्सचेंज कमीशन of Pakistan SECP career opportunity. SECP, the apex regulator of capital markets and corporate sector of Pakistan, requires the services of qualified, result-oriented, energetic and enthusiastic professional having impeccable integrity and exceptional analytical skills for the following Islamabad based position in its information security department on regular basis. Deputy Director ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी गवर्नेंस ऑफिसर ब्रैकेट क्लोज 01 पोजीशन. क्वालिफिकेशन मास्टर्स/बैचलर्स डिग्री ब्रैकेट equivalent to 16 years of education bracket close in cyber security, computer science, information technology, software engineering, computer engineering or other related disciplines from HEC recognized reputable university/institute. Experience at least 6 years of relevant post qualification experience in the related field. Age maximum age of applicant should not exceed 40 years on the last date of submission of application. Note: applicants who have at least 3 years experience working with a regulator will be given age relaxation of 5 years. Please visit https://www.sccp.gov.pk/career/ for complete job description and applying within 15 days of publication of this advertisement. SCCP offers competitive compensation package. Only short-listed candidates will be called for interview. Appointment will be subject to qualify the multi-tier interview process, clearance of medical tests and psychological assessment. We are an equal opportunity employer. Women, minorities, people with special needs and applicants from Balochistan, FATA, गिलगित बल्तिस्तान एंड आज़ाद जम्मू एंड कश्मीर ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ AJK ब्रैकेट क्लोज आर एनकरेज्ड टू अप्लाई. इन केस ऑफ एनी क्वेरीज प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू कॉन्टैक्ट अस. डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर HRD 0519195484 0519195484. मस्तंग सिक्योरिटी सर्विसेज, ये भी 24 दिसंबर 2023 की जॉब है. प्राइवेट लिमिटेड करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी. मस्तंग सिक्योरिटी सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड is looking for motivated ex-military officers of major and above ranks for positions in its cash in transit services division. Operation managers, business development managers. Positions are open in Karachi, Hyderabad, Sakkar, Multan, Gujranwala, Faisalabad and Peshawar. Preference will be given to individuals belonging to these areas who are recently retired or have an experience of working in the security sector. Please apply by sending your comprehensive CV and a recent photograph at hr@mustang365.com. We are hiring a dynamic and visionary Chief Business Development Officer for a progressive group in public sector. Join our industrial manufacturing conglomerate driving growth across multiple subsidiaries. If you have a proven track record in building Strategic business partnerships, preferably in B2B model with at least 10 years of experience, coupled with qualifications of bachelor/master degrees in business administration, engineering, or a related field. This is the role for you. Take charge of shaping our future and unlock unlimited potential. Apply now at hr.imc227@gmail.com, hr.imc227@gmail.com. Let's redefine success together. एक और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. लीडिंग इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेस इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन सप्लायर has openings in Karachi head office for bright, energetic candidates fluent in English with the following aspects: inside sales and application engineers, BE electrical/electronic with 8 to 10 years working experience, only first divisions. Hands-on experience on emergent gas metering/analyzers and DCS must have proven record. Top salary packages to the right candidates. Candidates meeting the above criteria may apply for Karachi-based positions. Please include recent photograph with application. Email resume to jobs@pearl-pk.com, jobs@pearl-pk.com. emergent process management. अच्छा जी, ये है जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर हब. A petrochemical plant located in Hub, Balochistan required the following staff for upcoming project at the plant. Head of department mechanical/process should have 20 years of experience in plant maintenance. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ रोटरी. नंबर ऑफ पोजीशंस हैं 2. Senior Deputy Manager Mechanical should have 15 years of experience in plant maintenance. Number of positions 2. Number 3, Senior Deputy Manager (process/molding) should have 15 years of experience in plant maintenance. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ रोटरी. नंबर ऑफ पोजीशंस 3. Senior Deputy Manager ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ E&I/powerhouse should have 15 years of experience in plant maintenance. Number of positions 2. Senior Manager (mech/chemical/electrical) should have 5 to 7 years of experience in relevant field. Number of positions 10. Fresh Engineer (mech/chemical/electrical) number of positions 10. Eligible candidates may apply at careers@pslpet.com. careers@pslpet.com. Note: kindly mention the job title in the subject line. सिचुएशंस वैकेंट, ये सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर की एक और जॉब्स हैं. एन ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशंस फ्रॉम suitable candidates for appointment against the following position: security advisor (security planning and coordination) close 01 position. Qualification and experience: qualification graduation, preferably master. Person retired from Armed Forces of Pakistan from the rank of brigadier is required to act as advisor security, planning and coordination close, who will manage and ensure overall internal and external security planning and coordination affairs of the organization. He must have served in armed forces on key security management and strategic planning positions, etc. Role and responsibilities: to manage all aspects of security operations and provide the leadership required to ensure that the proper policies and procedures are in place for a safe and secure environment for employees, visitors, assets, confidential or proprietary information in a cost-effective manner. to derive and enforce a security policy and provides required capabilities to withstand certain security threats, vulnerabilities, and risks, to plan and coordinate organizational relation to other organizations, to develop and implement security policies and procedures, to train and supervise security personnel, plan, coordinate security operations, emergencies for specific events, to investigate and resolve security related issues and create reports for authority, conveying security status, any other assignment as assigned by the organization from time to time. Minimum relevant qualification / experience 18 years, maximum age 60 years. अच्छा जी. Total 2 years contract term, initially 1 year contract bracket में लिखा हुआ है extendable by another 1 year only bracket close on the basis of satisfactory performance. This is Islamabad based position and the fixed lump sum monthly emoluments to be decided by the authority on the basis of qualification and experience. Only the most suitable shortlisted candidates will be called for interviews and selection will be made purely on merit. No TA/DA will be admissible to the candidates for interview. The applications should reach PO Box number 3035 GPO Islamabad by post mail within 15 days of publication of this advertisement. Publication date is 24th December 2023. The organization reserves the right to accept or reject applications / scrap this process without stating any reason whatsoever. PO Box number 3035 GPO Islamabad. PO Box number 3035 GPO इस्लामाबाद. जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.